Welcome to this comprehensive guide on modern electrical circuit protection, focusing on AFCI and GFCI devices. This video covers safety standards essential for electricians, engineers, and homeowners. We will explore the distinctions, requirements, and functionality of arc fault circuit interrupters and ground fault circuit interrupters. AFCI's core mission is fire prevention, detecting dangerous arcing conditions in wiring. GFCI's mission is life safety, preventing electric shock and electrocution by detecting current leakage to the ground. The GFCI is a lifesaver, offering crucial shock protection. It prevents fatal electrocution in just 1/40th of a second and is essential near water sources. GFCI devices monitor current balance. If the current flowing out on the hot wire and returning on the neutral wire differs by 5 milliamps or more, a ground fault is assumed and the power is instantly cut. The AFCI, or fire marshal, provides advanced arc detection. It detects frayed or damaged wiring, preventing smoldering electrical fires, and protects entire branch circuits. AFCI processors analyze thousands of wave samples per second. They use digital signal processing to identify high-frequency noise and current spikes that characterize a hazardous arc. GFCI focuses on life safety by preventing electrocution, primarily triggered by current leakage over 5 milliamps. AFCI focuses on fire safety by preventing electrical fires, triggered by dangerous arc patterns. GFCI devices are required in wet areas like bathrooms and kitchens near sinks. AFCI devices are required in living spaces, including bedrooms and living rooms. Dual-function devices are used where both hazards exist, like in laundry areas. Visually, a GFCI outlet is identifiable by test and reset buttons on the faceplate. An AFCI breaker typically has a colored test button in the electrical panel. Troubleshooting trips can involve nuisance tripping from older appliances or shared neutrals from improper wiring. AFCI devices are useful for catching poor electrical work, such as a ground-to-neutral bond. For maintenance and safety, manufacturers recommend testing these devices monthly. Press the test button, confirm the trip, and then press reset. If it doesn't trip, the protection is compromised and must be replaced immediately.